These are trading days. These are trading days. Can you see this? Isn't it amazing? यहाँ पर लो बना. See, in this chart, then you got a close also above the previous high. Okay, Falguni is saying MOC was just amazing, right? Falguni was a part of Master of Cycles program. Falguni, why don't you get in the mentorship program starting next Saturday for 3 months? You will also learn about MOTA again. You will learn about Master of Waves again. You will learn so many things. And in a simple, this is very easy. It's not complicated. It's simple, easy. If someone said, ये सब चीज बहुत complicated है, you know, right? You are a part of cycles. It's not complicated. It's damn easy. Okay. यहां पर लो बना. नेक्स्ट लो देखो कहां बना. Sandeep is saying I have made it easy. Thank you, Sandeep. Next low is formed exactly here on that cycle and यहां से ऊपर का ट्रेंड. So tell me, यहां पर ट्रेंड, ये जो कैंडल है ये ट्रेंड ऊपर के था कि नीचे का था? साइकिल 18 डेज पे लो बनता है कि टॉप बनता है? दैट वी हैव सीन. टेल मी, 18 डेज पे लो बनता है कि टॉप बनता है? गाइस टेल मी दैट. लो. यहां पर फॉल ही नहीं आया तो लो बनेगा क्या? बिफोर द साइकिल यू नीड अ फॉल. यू नीड अ फॉल. यू नीड अ फॉल. यू नीड अ फॉल. ये फॉल है क्या? नहीं ना. वेयर इज द नेक्स्ट 18 days? Where is the next 18 days? Do we have a fall? Do we have a doji? Are you with me? What Monday can happen? अभी के ट्रेंड में do we have a fall? Yes. Do we have a pause? Yes. Now Monday, if we close, हाँ इंपॉर्टेंट है, खाली टाइम नहीं, हमें कंफर्मेशन चाहिए. If we close, bang on, माल लाओ. Are you with me? I'm not saying Monday will be up or down. I'm again repeating, I'm forecasting. Monday ideally should be positive, but we need a close above the high. कैंडल कंफर्मेशन भी चाहिए ना. अगर खाली टाइम ही चाहिए होता तो कैंडल स्टिक नहीं करता मैं. अगर खाली कैंडल स्टिक से काम चलता तो टाइम नहीं करता मैं. सिंस आई एम डूइंग कैंडल स्टिक एंड टाइम बोथ, विच मीन्स हमें दोनों चाहिए. अगर दोनों चाहिए तो दोनों कंबाइन कर रहे हैं. कैसे कंबाइन कर रहे हैं? Every 18 days there is a low being formed in the market. How do I know? I know the signs. I worked it out and you can see it here. This was the low. This was the low. Over here, this was actually on the top side. A day prior there was a low, but okay. Now here, so do not be carried away. See, as a trader, very important, you need to have patience, you need to have method, you need to have strategy. This webinar is only for 2 hours. Do not mistake it that you have, that abhi I can just go sell everything and buy everything and do it. Don't do that. Be prudent, have a plan, have a strategy, and then you can make money. And this is how institutions make money. They look at this. You know what I'm going to do? My Master of Technical Analysis program, I'm now going to be also, it's a program which I call it season 2.2. This is second season with 2.2. I'm going to be talking about open interest also. So I'm going to combine those things together. So this is how institutions look at the market. Are you with me? And this is how you can trade. So now if there is a gap up and Monday price confirmation happen with a close above the candle high, I can put the previous doji candle low as my stop loss. Stop get triggered, get out. किसी ने बोला है 100% श्योरिटी? अगर कोई आपने ऐड देखा होगा जिसने क्लेम किया है आई एम 100% श्योर, टेल हिम बॉस डोंट फेक इट. देयर आर पीपल हु आर फेकिंग विथ 100% एक्यूरेसी. I never claim that. I always say it's a game of probability. You can be 95% sure. That is happened with me when I combine wave theory with time cycle. It's brilliant. When you combine candlestick with time cycle, it's brilliant at times. So I do that. And but there are times when I'm say 70% probability. यार पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. But ठीक है. So that is how it happens. Wave theory is Elliott wave, Neo wave, which we do, and it's amazing. ये तो चार्ट मैंने खाली आपको एग्जाम्पल के लिए बताया है. 18 डेज कहाँ है और क्यों है, और कोइंसिडेंटली मंडे को ही 18 डे कंप्लीट होके एक कैंडल बनेगा। अगर बना, अगर लो निकल गया तो वेट, if the low is taken out, क्योंकि time can also be like 2 days plus minus. So if low is taken out, then wait, don't buy, wait, maybe selling opportunity मिलेगा. So you have to do that. Okay, are you with me, guys? Are you understanding? Are you liking it? Are you enjoying what we did so far till now? What is the time cycle, how to go about it? Don't you want to really time the market with me? Okay, isn't it interesting and fascinating कि कैंडलस्टिक को कैसे हम टाइम के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हैं? Okay, I can see Girish is saying fantastic, Vaibhav is saying superb, completely, exactly, Santosh, Sarvanan, interesting, right? Okay, खाली 18 डे का साइकिल नहीं है. Okay, informative, super learning, excellent. TD is saying, Kiran is saying amazing. Okay, I can see so many of you. चलिए अभी let me show you some